About a week ago, I unveiled what I call the best value for money laptop that money can buy in 2022. Today, I'm going to give you real life review and usage of this laptop. This is the MSI GF76 Katana. This, my model, is 11UD. This is going to be a real life review. I'm going to start from the simple things like opening like 50 Chrome tabs, browser, doing Microsoft applications, using Microsoft applications like Word, PowerPoint, and all that. And then we'll go to the higher things like rendering video 4K. Also, then we'll go to the highest thing, playing high demanding games. So if you're ready, come with me. Let's go check it out. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Reporter. I'm so excited to have you here today. So we're going to go into the real life review, starting from the little light usage to the very powerful demanding usage of this, including how will the battery life of a power demanding laptop fare if you're going to run it all through battery. How long could it last? So there is so much in this. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell icon when we put up a video like this. So let's go inside and let me show you. Starting from the lowest thing here, surfing the internet on battery, and we're using the lowest setting in battery. I opened over 50 Chrome tabs and two different users doing a lot of stuff, and all this with battery and on battery life. And after about 2 hours, I started about 8:45 p.m. and after about 2 hours, I was getting 56% of battery left, and I still have estimated 2 hours 58 minutes, but I end up using it up to 4 hours 30 minutes when it was 5%. As you can see here in the battery saver, the CPU is just about 1-2%, and every other thing like the GPU are sleeping. So this is a good way to test how long can the battery last here if you're like surfing only the internet or watching a movie or just doing a Word document or typing or something. You can get up to that. And talking about Word document, my workflow in Microsoft here in this system was just mind-blowing. So my Word documents can just zoom in full, and my plugins are spacious enough for me to work like Grammarly, Quillbot, because I do a lot of research. And this 17.3-inch screen, 144 Hz, is just so sweet. Now look at 100% zoom in Word on this 17-inch. I can still go like 125, 130 zoom, and everything will still be inside my workflow, and it's just wonderful. So these things will not move the system if you're doing the light tasks. Let's go to video editing. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there today. And if you have a father who still works, get him a good laptop that can render a 4K video. So we're now stepping it up a bit to see how we can test the utility of this laptop. What can it do? Can it render video in 4K, and how long can it do that? How quickly can it do that? So we put it to test here. You can see the NVIDIA GPU is running around, 80 something. It got around, 90%. But when you open the details here, you can see that it's just the video encoding that is just being utilized here. There is so much 3D copy, video decoding, and even the VRAM is just about 5%. And that 5.5 minutes is just in a minute. It just exported the 4K, which is very, very impressive. If you have watched our earlier video where we used the Intel integrated GPU to do the same 4K export, it took it about 5 minutes then, and our NVIDIA 3 minutes. But after we did our NVIDIA driver update, it now did it in 1:47 seconds. So the video editing is not even pushing the power that this thing have. So let's go to gameplay. Now I'm going to go to Grid 2. Which is one of my favorite games. I love driving games. So I couldn't play this game on medium, on high setting in my old Core i5, and then medium was lagging. I just played it on low. So I said, let me start with this one. You can see the FPS on the lower left part of your screen, and this one is on high. So I feel that this high setting is not really pushing the system. So let's go to ultra setting and then see whether it will really demand on the system. Now you can look on the right side. Of course, the GPU or utilization on the right lower part of your screen has increased, but look at the VRAM, the RAM, and all that. It's nowhere. So let's go to a higher demanding game, which is Mafia 3. Now, the reason I like this game is that it's very demanding. I couldn't even play it at all on the older Core i5 because of the demands. So now you can see that the demand on the VRAM has increased, the RAM has increased, the GPU is running on 100, and the CPU is a little bit coming up now. So this is a very high demanding game, and we are still able to just play it smoothly without any problem on this one. So that means there's so much power in this thing, so it can play most games. And let me go to my favorites now. Playing this game, the FPS, oh gosh, the VRAM and the GPU, it still didn't even take up to half of it, and it was giving great smooth FPS. So because I love football and this is Barcelona, I'm going to hand you over to the commentary team right there of Peter Drury and Jim Beglin, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
But the level of expectation is also very well, there are plenty looking forward to seeing this.
You get to see how smooth this gameplay is. Man, I really enjoyed this on a high setting and every top setting I could.
And we have every right to anticipate some really entertaining football. As to whether we'll see a high-scoring contest,
so yes, these can play any of the modern games that you have.
Best equipped for this game. Yeah, Paul Pogba. He could be a real game changer. Luis Suarez. He's done very well to get to that. Suarez sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add he just wasn't expecting it. And it's Messi. Lewis shapes to shoot! Big moment! Massive goal! It's hardly a surprise, is it? That's what we're here for, a player with...
So that's it, that's a wrap on it. This is a sweet spot for me, for those who want to move into power usage and don't want to break the bank. And you can still do all the gamings with it, even if you're not going to get the highest resolution and the highest FPS. It can game almost any modern game. So that's it. Let me hear from you in the comment section, and click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, and let me announce this here the first time. Our 10K giveaway is gonna blow your mind, so make sure you subscribe. It's coming maybe in a month or two. Thank you very much for all the support, and if you want to see the video of the MSI, the one I unveiled, you can click here now to see it. And until I see you in the next one, peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.